Hi kids, are you a college student and tired of having pizza every day? Well, I've got a fix for you. Today, I will be demonstrating how to make a single serve brownie right in your microwave. It's a quick little recipe and all you need is a cup like this, and here are the ingredients. Next, you will need your 12-ounce microwavable mug and a utensil or fork for whisking or stirring your ingredients up. So, first we're going to start by adding your wet ingredients. Put in your oil, then your water, then your vanilla extract. Then you whisk it, stir it up, stir really well now. And then you combine your dry ingredients. You put a dash of salt and your flour in, your sugar, cocoa powder, and your instant coffee. Then you whisk it, and now you want to make sure you whisk it really well. And make sure you whisk it until there's no lumps left, okay? We don't want lumpy brownies. And now you have your mix all ready to go in the microwave. Now to enjoy a delicious brownie. It's delicious. If you weren't poor college students like us, you could probably afford some whipped cream on top or ice cream. That would be delicious. I hope you enjoyed our how-to video. Now you won't have the munchies, neither do I.